Good morning students, this is chemistry session for class 10th and now today I am going to discuss some questions from in text NCERT. So let us see question number 1. Why magnesium ribbon is cleaned before burning in air? So this is the question. Ribbon is cleaned before burning in air. This is the question. Magnesium ribbon is burned because when magnesium reacts with oxygen, it forms a thin layer of magnesium oxide, and that's why it is properly cleaned before burning in air. So this is because magnesium reacts with oxygen and forms a thin layer of magnesium oxide on its surface. That's why it is cleaned properly before burning in air. Now next question. Question number 2. Write balance chemical equation for the following reactions. Its first part is hydrogen plus chlorine reacts and form hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen when reacts with chlorine, it forms hydrogen chloride. So you have to write the balance chemical equation for this reaction. As you know, hydrogen means hydrogen gas. It reacts with chlorine gas Cl2 and it forms hydrogen chloride. What is formula of hydrogen chloride? It is HCl. So this is the chemical equation, and now you have to balance it. Now you can see the elements are hydrogen and chlorine. In left hand side and in right hand side, you can see left hand side there are 2 hydrogen, but in right side HCl, only 1 hydrogen atom. Similarly, Cl2 means 2 chlorine atom in the left side, but Cl means one chlorine atom in the right side. So, to balance this equation, we will multiply this by 2, so that hydrogen in right side it is multiplied by 2 and chlorine is also multiplied by 2. 2 HCl means 2 hydrogen and 2 chlorine atoms. So, in this way we can very easily balance the equation. So, this is balanced chemical equation for this reaction. Now, take a screenshot of it. Now, its second part is barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate it forms aluminum chloride plus barium sulfate. Now, you can see barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate, it forms aluminum chloride and barium sulfate. Now, we have to write the chemical formulae of all the reactants and product. Do you know the formula of barium chloride? Barium chloride is BaCl2 and aluminum sulfate, it is Al2SO4 whole thrice. It gives aluminum chloride. What is formula of aluminum chloride? It is AlCl3 plus barium sulfate. It means it is BaSO4. This is the question, and now you have to balance it. You can see what are the elements. Barium, chlorine, aluminum, sulfur and oxygen. These are the elements in left hand side. First we will check how many atoms are there of each element in left hand side and in right hand side. So, barium in left side you can see 1 atom, in right side it is also 1 atom, chlorine in the left side Cl2 means 2 chlorine atoms. So, these are 2 atoms, but in right side you can see AlCl3. So, 3 chlorine atoms there are. Now, aluminum Al2, 2 aluminum atoms, and here Al, it is only 1 atom. Sulfur SO4 whole thrice means all the elements in the bracket will get 3 times. So, sulfur SO4 whole thrice means sulfur 3 atom and oxygen 4 3s are 12. Now, in right side it is sulfur, and you can see this is only 1 atom, and oxygen it is, you can see O4 means 4 oxygen atoms. So, actually this method of balancing is hit and trial method. So, you can balance any element, like you can see aluminium Al2 here, aluminium 2 atoms, but in right side it is only 1 atom. So, to balance aluminium we multiply it by 2 like this. Now, 2 atoms in both sides. Now, you can see twice AlCl3, it means 2 3s are 6 Cl. Now, chlorine is 6 in right side. So, chlorine atoms, these are 6 chlorine atoms, but in left side you can see Cl2. So, to make it 6 we multiply it by 3, 3 2s are 6. So, it is multiplied by, sorry, chlorine is multiplied by 3. Now, when you multiply chlorine it by 3, then barium you can see in the left side it becomes 3. So, barium is already now multiplied by 3. So, to balance barium we multiply, for barium it is 3. Now, multiply this by 3. So, now you can check what about sulfur. Sulfur SO4 whole thrice means sulfur 3 atoms, and 3BaSO4 means sulfur is 3 atom. Now, it becomes 3 atoms in right side. And what about oxygen? When it is multiplied by 3, so 3 4s are 12. So, oxygen is now 12. Now, let us see in left side barium atoms total it is 3. In right side you can see barium atoms, these are also 3. Chlorine atoms 2 3s are 6 chlorine, and in right side 3 2s are 6 chlorine atom. Now, aluminium it is 2 atoms, it is also 2. Sulfur it is 3, 3 1 ja 3, it is also 3. Now, oxygen it is 12 already, and it is now 4 3s are 12. So, now you can see the atoms of all the elements present in left hand side are same as in right hand side. So, now this reaction is completely balanced. It is now balanced. Okay, you can see 3 atoms barium in left and in right also, chlorine 6 atoms in right also 6, aluminium 2 atoms. In right side there are also 2 atoms, sulfur 3 atoms in left side and 3 atoms in right side. Now, oxygen, there are 12 atoms in left side and in right side also there are 12 atoms. So, now this reaction is balanced. Now, take a screenshot of it. Now, next question. Next question is question number 3. Write balance chemical equation with state symbol. Write balance chemical equation with state symbol for the following. And its first part is solutions of sodium sulphate and barium chloride in water reacts and form insoluble barium sulphate and aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So, question is solutions of sodium sulphate reacts with barium chloride to form insoluble barium sulphate and aqueous solution of sodium chloride. You can see this is actually a statement of a chemical reaction. So, to write balanced chemical equation for this statement, we will write symbol equation, then we will convert that, we will write word equation, then we will convert it into symbol equation. So, sodium sulphate react with barium chloride. These two are reactants and barium sulphate and sodium chloride. These two are products in this statement. These two are products and sodium sulphate and barium chloride. These two are reactants. So, sodium sulphate Can you write the formula of sodium sulphate? It is Na2SO4, because it is solution in water. So, these are aqueous solutions. So, we will write here AQ, because these solutions are prepared in water. So, we will write aqueous. AQ means aqueous, plus barium chloride. Can you tell the formula of barium chloride? It is BaCl2. It is also aqueous solution. And now, what are the products? Barium sulphate, it is insoluble. It is barium sulphate means BaSO4. Since it is insoluble, it means it is in solid state. So, it is in solid state in the form of precipitate. It is in the form of precipitate, means insoluble form, plus sodium chloride. It is NaCl. It is in aqueous form. Now, you have to balance it. You can very easily see that sodium atom in left side, Na2 means 2 sodium atom, but in right side you can see there is only 1 atom. So, we will multiply it by 2. So, it becomes 2O now. Okay. And now, you can see chlorine Cl2, and when you multiply it by 2, then chlorine is also balanced. So, now this reaction is completely balanced. You can check this reaction. Elements are sodium, sulfur, oxygen, chlorine and barium. In left hand side and in right hand side. Sodium in left side, there are 2 atoms, Na2 means 2 atoms. In right side 2Na means 2 atoms of sodium. So, it is also 2. Now, sulfur, it is, you can see it is 1 atom in left, and it is also 1 atom in right. Now, oxygen, it is O4 means 4 oxygen. In right side you can see O4, it means it is 4 oxygen atoms. Chlorine Cl2 means 2 chlorine atoms. Okay. And now, twice NaCl means Cl is 2 and sodium is also 2. So, it is 2 chlorine atoms in right side. Now, barium, can you tell how many atoms of barium in the left side? Obviously, it is 1 atom, and in right side you can see barium, it is only 1 atom. So, now you can see the atoms of all the elements in the left side are same as in the right side. So, this reaction is now completely balanced. It is now balanced. Now take a screenshot of it. Now this class is over today, and we will discuss some more questions in the next class. Thank you, students.